Welcome to our cooking video. Today we're making mini pizzas. Ingredients are flour, cheese, fresh yeast, sugar, salt, and oil. And for the sauce, we are using onion, garlic, tomato puree, and spices.
For the recipe, we need a bowl, a spoon, a knife, a cooking board, a hood, and a cup. First, we add the cheese to the warm water with sugar and mix until it dissolves. Then we add the flour and salt into a big bowl. Now pour the yeast and the oil. And finally mix everything together.
Now we knead the dough on the table until it's soft. Now we put the dough back in the bowl and cover it to let it rise. Coming back with the dough, now we make balls and press them to form the mini pizzas.
Now let's prepare the sauce. First, we chop the onion and the garlic. Now we put them in a pot with oil until golden. Now we add the tomato puree and the spices and let it cook for a few minutes.
Next, we spread the sauce on each mini pizza with a ladle. Now we put cheese pieces on each mini pizza.
Now we are going to have different toppings. Finally, we put them in the oven and let them cook.
Hoy te veo con un flow violento, pantalón apretado y ese booty balcao. Tiene ganas de comérselo, tiene ganas de comérselo. Bien maquillada, bien suelta y dañada.